Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to find 5 best Chrome extension on Google Chrome. So let's get started. First thing first, open your Google Chrome and the first one is vid.iq, vid.iq vision for the YouTube. The main feature of an overview, the video extension is uncover the secrets to success behind your favorite YouTube videos. Unlock what makes YouTube videos to go viral. Discover the YouTube optimization tool to help creators to get views, grow their YouTube channel, and understand exactly why videos succeed on YouTube. Whether you are a YouTube content creator, marketing manager, or publisher, Vidaiku helps you decode YouTube algorithm and optimize every YouTube video for maximum projects. They can help us to find best hashtags, keywords, and help us to create new thumbnails and help us to find the best SEO keywords or tools. The second one is YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Conclude. YouTube summary attached to ChatGPT and Conclude. The mean is summarize YouTube videos, web articles, and PDF to save time. Powered by ChatGPT, Conclude, Mistral AI, and Gemini. YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Conclude is a free Chrome extension that lets you quickly summarize YouTube videos, web articles, and PDFs you are consuming. Use this extension and to saving time and learn more quicker. YouTube videos, web articles, and PDF summarization function and powered by ChatGPT, Conclude, Mistral AI, and Google Gemini. And the last one, the main benefit are saving time, increase productivity, and improving learning. YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Cloud reduce to need their watch long videos, and you are just looking for the main point. The summary lets you absorb information quickly, so you can spend time on other tasks. And the third one is VPN because the everyone regularly use the VPN. The best VPN in the Google Web Store is Browsing VPN. This is a free VPN, no paid tool. This is a very free, and over 8 million users already trust this VPN. Only in Windows, not macOS, not PC, not mobile. The overview is browsing VPN helps you to stay private online and protects your IP from internet threats both in the UK and around the world. Your browser VPN needs you to stay private online and protects your IP from internet threats both in the UK and around the world. Your privacy matters more than ever. And access to your favorite content and website with browser VPN, not using the incognito mode like new window or new incognito mode. And the fourth one is Google Translator. You can just add the Google Translator. If you open any page, they will also provide page translation because you accept all their cookies and exceptions. The main function is the section is automatically detects if the language of the page you are on is different from the language you are using from your Google Chrome interface. If it is a banner appeared in the top of the page, click the translate button in the banner to have all the text on the page appear in the new language. This is very free tool and around 28 million people using this extension. The first, the last, and the most premium action is volume master. They can क्या बोलते हैं उसको, they can optimize your voice into 600%, mean the your PC volume only 100%. They grow up to the main extreme level onto the 600%. The simplest and most reliable volume master up to 600% volume boost, control volume on any tab, fine grain control 0% to 600%, switch to any tab playing audio with just one click. They can accept the acceptance with the overview and algebras. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.